Chinese numbers 0 to 10, a one-handed wonder. Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how you can count from 0 to 10 in Chinese using just one hand? It's a fascinating aspect of Chinese culture, and today we're diving right into it. Master the pronunciation. First up, let's nail down the pronunciation for numbers 0 to 10. 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hand signs for numbers. Now, let's move on to the intriguing part, how to represent these numbers using just one hand. 0, to indicate 0, simply make a 0 shape with your thumb and index finger. 1 to 5, simply extend the corresponding number of fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. The hand gesture for the number 6, 6, in Chinese culture is quite interesting and meaningful. Extend your thumb and little fingers while keeping the other 3 fingers folded. This gesture resembles the Chinese character for 6, 6. Additionally, the extended thumb can signify one set of 5 and 1 added to the extended little finger, which represents 1. The total becomes 6. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. 7. To indicate the number 7, touch your thumb, index, and middle fingers together while keeping the other fingers closed. Why this gesture? One possible explanation is that the thumb represents the number 5, while index and middle fingers together represent the number 2. When combined, they add up to 7, which is what this hand sign signifies. 8. Form an L shape with your thumb and index finger, keeping the other fingers closed. Notice how this gesture resembles the Chinese character 8. 9. Hook your index finger while keeping the other fingers closed. 10. There are multiple ways to indicate 10. First, close your fist with the palm facing outward. Second, extend your index finger and middle finger vertically, placing the index finger in front of the middle finger. Third, raise your arms and cross the index finger of both hands to form the Chinese character 10. Fourth, open all 10 fingers. And there you have it. You are now equipped to count from 0 to 10 in Chinese, both verbally and with just one hand. Keep practicing these signs and pronunciations, and you will soon be counting like a native speaker.